To create a Trust Wallet login, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the official website or a trusted app store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a New Wallet. You will be asked to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you will be prompted to create a strong and unique password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt and protect your wallet, so make sure it is complex and not easily guessable. After creating your password, you will be given a set of backup words, also known as a seed phrase. These words are used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your device. It is essential to store your backup words in a safe and secure location, such as a locked box or a secure note-taking app. Never share your backup words with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. After securing your backup words, you will be asked to create a PIN or biometric authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Now that you have created your Trust Wallet login, it is crucial to understand how to use it securely. Always keep your wallet and backup words up to date, and never use public computers or unsecured networks to access your wallet. Additionally, be cautious of phishing scams and never enter your wallet password or backup words on a website that you are not sure is legitimate. To further secure your wallet, consider enabling two-factor authentication and using a hardware wallet for added protection. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and reliable Trust Wallet login that protects your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to safeguard your wallet and backup words.